you're a research scientist, really helps you philosophically grounded. It gives you a solid foundation of how things work, right?
Now I want to talk about this. First off, I didn't understand a word you said.
Oh, the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh. It's either been a week or it's been
Nut in your butter?
in my butter.
Do you do that? Is that a nighttime regimen?
Is there something you don't tell people about your hair?
And Bill Murray was kind enough and wanted to give you props.
We're growing up with that name, indeed. I think that's why
I can speak on, the theoretical aspect of music. And
No.
Your real name is Bradley Henry Gerstenfeld. Name like...
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened.
Was it easier having been...
You're ready to go sit on a pile of beef and shove it up your ass. Why don't you do that, doctor?
The aid of Papillon. Where is my...
No,
boy, killing it for you, boy, killing it.